109 degrees Fahrenheit. This saw blade got pretty hot. Ooh, 108. I leave the sandpaper there for a little bit. Maybe it'll get even hotter. Thermal energy caused by friction. Ooh, 128 degrees. Ooh, yeah, it's pretty warm. Pretty warm, but I think we can get hotter. Let's go over to the grinder. Oh yeah, that's pretty hot. Woo! Yikes. You gotta be careful when you're in a shop. This one's kind of fun. Look what I built. And I have a really super duper hair dryer. It's a heat gun. See if I can melt some plastic using thermal energy. Remember, the Lego is a solid, but if I heat up those molecules fast enough, it'll start to turn into a liquid. I think it's working. Look, it's starting to melt. Oh, it's melting. Poor Legos. Ooh, baby, that's a lot of heat. It's kind of stinky. I don't think it can get a good read off of it. 411 degrees. Yep, 411 degrees. And it will just turn plastic into liquid. Okay, we'll stop that right there. And now we'll let it cool off. Let's see what temperature it is now. Oh yeah, it's already down to 309. $249. It's cooling off quick. And as it cools off, I'll be careful, I don't want to touch it too much. What a beautiful piece of abstract artwork. I know. Watch out, Mr. Golson, I'm coming for you. Oh, look at this thing. This is super dangerous. Wow, okay. Let's get our fire going first. All right. Here we go. We got us a blowtorch going. And I know you can't see it very well, but it is going. And this is a piece of metal that I'm kind of cooking into the blowtorch. It's called a brand. It gets really, really hot, and then you can use it to burn a letter into a different material. But you gotta see if that works. Nope, not hot enough yet. Let's keep going here. Might take it a few minutes to get hot enough, but I bet we can get it hot enough to where we can stamp the letter K into a piece of wood. I'm just trying to be very careful while I do this so I don't hurt myself, because now we're dealing with temperatures that are, well, hotter than I can handle. You can see a lot of flame. It's kind of burning the paint off of this little tool I bought here. So, this is a different energy transformation that you're seeing now, where it's going from chemical energy stored inside of the propane gas, and it's changing into thermal and light energy, and even a little bit of sound energy. Sorry, I'm having a hard time videoing and heating this and not burning myself at the same time. That worked. Look at how much heat it gives off. .484 degrees right now. Cooling down rapidly to 433 degrees. So we're talking about serious amounts of energy. Now, you don't want to play around with any of this stuff, guys. You got to know what you're doing out here. Look at that. There's the letter K. Mr. K burned into the table next to his latitude and longitude things from that video. I'm going to have a whole history of the 2020 school year in my workbench. Alright guys, you saw it here first. Lots of big time thermal energy.